Guess what? Guess what? Contest! So, yeah. I'm making a contest. A Halo Mega Bloks contest. Not too many things. Yeah. The video doesn't have to be long. A minimum is 20 seconds. Maximum is a minute and 30 seconds, because I don't even think they're gonna surpass a minute. If you're that good, then yeah, sure, maybe. But actually, minimum can be 20 seconds is good. And to submit one, put hashtag slime contest in the title. Yeah, not too difficult, but yeah, contest. Submit soon. It'll end on today's Wednesday. This Sunday, which is June. Just a second. Thinking. June 5th. Submit today or before then. Before June 5th. Yeah.